Hey, how you doing? This is Simon. I'm back with another video, and look, who are you? It's Ian here and me, Saeed. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the best traffic source for your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so there are literally hundreds of traffic sources online and offline that you can utilize to promote your affiliate products. And out of all the hundreds of traffic sources out there, the number one best traffic source is your email list traffic. So here's why. Your email list traffic is the best traffic source available to you because it consists of people who've already shown interest in your business and in your products in some way or another. So these people can either be people who purchased from you, your prospects that have shown interest, that they may buy from you in the future, okay, now or in the future. Think about it. Your email list, when built and nurtured the right way, can provide you with traffic on demand and literally at the click of a send button in your email autoresponder. You can direct your subscribers to whatever page, web page, affiliate page, or link that you want to, you choose to send them to. Therefore, I'm sure you've heard it many times that build your list, okay, the message of build your list. All right, so I'll say again, build your list and keep on building it. All right, so in your affiliate marketing business, or any business for that matter, your list is the number one asset that you will have. All right, although you can build lists containing different types of data, i.e. name, telephone, address, email, etc., but for affiliate marketing, it's commonly an email list. Okay, so email lists can contain prospects who will potentially buy from you today, tomorrow, or in the future. Okay, so your email list can contain your existing customers who know you, like you, and trust you, which means they are likely to buy from you again. Once you have the email list, you can promote new products, potentially generate sales faster than you would if you were to advertise to new audiences. So your email list can provide you with an income for years to come, subject to you maintaining good relationships with the people in your list, providing great value and serving their needs. Okay, so just like Google owns their own search engine traffic, which businesses purchase by placing ads on Google, similarly your email list traffic is traffic that you own. Okay, so in this sense, you own this traffic. You can send your own traffic to any new offer you're promoting by writing an email and sending the hit button. Okay, so as long as you nurture and maintain a good relationship with your list, where your audience have gotten to know you, like and trust you, then you can effortlessly generate sales from your email list traffic. There's no doubt about that. So to sum it up, make it a daily activity to keep on growing your email list and continue to provide tremendous value. I'll put another link in the description below that where you can wrote another article about how providing value by pitching less and providing more value, and you can check that article out. So that's it for now, and if you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you like some resource on building your business, check out affiliateship.com/free. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, everyone.